Hey everybody, well this is it. I finally got the green light from Lucasfilm and ReedPop to reveal the theme for next year's Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders Workshop. So are you ready? Let's do this. I'm Frank Diorio and you're watching DioramaWorkshop.com. Hey everyone, Merry Christmas! I'm happy to give you this nice little gift to you today with the reveal of what we're doing for next year in April at the Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders Workshop. This is going to be our 8th build, our 17th year, can you believe it, since we started doing this. It's a long time ago. I'm much older, much fatter. It's been a long time, almost 2 decades now. So today we're doing the reveal, and I'm going to show you, we're going to jump to the computer, and I'm going to show you the sort of like preparation that you might not have seen on Facebook and different social medias for the countdown. So let me go to the computer now and we'll start looking at that. Okay, so here's the 10 choices we had. We have prequels, original trilogy, and then what I call the Disney era of the movies. So we started out by doing a countdown to sort of like build up the excitement till today. So we started at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Is your choice still there? I don't know. 4, 3, 2. Okay, you have a 50-50 chance to guess which one it'll be. And the winner of the theme that we're going to be using next year is... yes! Rogue One! Now, we're doing the Star Wars Celebration Battle of Scarif Diorama Builders Workshop 2019. Now, this is going to be one of the coolest scenes that you've seen in the movie. You know, obviously, Rogue One is not just my favorite, it's a lot of people's favorite. It's such a cool movie on itself. I find it's like the perfect movie. Perfect casting, perfect story. It fits so well with episode 4. You could watch them back to back. So, we are back officially. Are you ready to build? That's my motto. And 17 years, like I said before, that we've been doing these celebration workshops. It's really crazy. And this, just to give you like a sort of like a slight idea, let me just move the camera up a little bit to center it a bit more there. There we go. So this is what Scarif looks like. Obviously you've seen the movie. I'm assuming you've seen the movie. And there's going to be lots of build. The final diorama of the whole width will be about 30 or 40 feet wide. I'm not quite sure yet. We're still doing the designs for that. And the builds will be, you know, different items to choose from, like in the past years. You're going to have jungle scenes where here's the scale of the people and see how big the trees are. So you're going to have jungle trees. I was going to show you a jungle, one of the palm trees, but okay, I'll have to save that for another video. Just a tease for today for the announcement. So this is jungle scenes that you'll be able to build. There's obviously bunkers like this, which will be other options for people who want to make things out of foam core. We're going to have a shuttle made. Chris is starting that, but all the detailing and painting might be doable as a group build at the show itself. And then, of course, the giant build, the tower. This is going to be at least 7-8 feet tall. We haven't quite figured out the measurements yet, but this is going to be a group build. And then you're going to have also like little builds, more smaller things like these little towers and things to put in between the islands and different things like that. So there you go, Battle of Scarif. This is a little sneak peek of the pin design that I'm working on. I'm still playing around with it, but that's probably the pin that you're going to be receiving next year when you come visit the show. So there you have it, Rogue One, Battle of Scarif. It's going to be amazing. Now there's one little other secret that I can't spill quite yet that's going to be a real game changer for us next year. It's going to be so much fun, and I'm hoping that by mid-January, end of January, I'll be able to talk to you about that. But that's for another time. I know I was doing so well spilling the beans and telling you all the secrets and everything like that, but this one I have to like, even though I want to tell it because it's so exciting. But yeah, we have to wait for the new year for that one. So anyway, this is what's going to be happening next year. I'm really excited. I hope you're excited. I hope we'll see you there. And stay tuned for more videos. We're going to have a lot of coverage going on from between now and the 3 months that we go to the show. Lots of pre-production. You're going to see what it takes for me to design and produce a full booth workshop at a convention. So that should be interesting. For the first time we'll be doing it live as it's doing it, compared to videos that I'm posting now from 10 years ago. Oh, I'm so bad, procrastination, but not this year, I promise. So anyway, stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you soon, okay? Frank Diorio, cheers, ciao for now, over and out. Thanks for watching DioramaWorkshop.com. If you want more interactivity, you can follow us on these multimedia platforms. If you have a question about past or future Star Wars Celebration workshops, send me an email at dioramaworkshop.com@gmail.com. If you have a Facebook account, join the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders fan club today. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and tell your friends to come check us out. If you want to see even more Star Wars Celebration crew coverage, click on the link to warp to dioramaworkshop.com, the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders website.